China processes more than 2 million foxes a year for their fur at the world's largest fox processing plant. How much do you know about the hidden truths behind this controversial industry? What ethical concerns arise from such large-scale operations? Join Trending Farm in uncovering the shocking truths behind this farming documentary. Fox fur has a significant economic value, driven largely by its use in high fashion and luxury goods. The global fox fur market is huge, with a value of around $1.5 billion per year. This value is supported by the desirable qualities of the fur, such as its softness, warmth, and rich, lustrous appearance. The uses of fox fur are diverse, mainly including the creation of elegant garments such as coats, jackets, and shawls. It is also used in accessories such as hats, gloves, and scarves, providing practical warmth and fashion appeal. Additionally, fox fur can be found in home decor items such as cushions and shawls, adding a touch of luxury to interiors. Famous products that highlight the prestige of fox fur include iconic fur coats from designer brands such as Chanel and Louis Vuitton, known for their exquisite craftsmanship and high-quality materials. Additionally, fox fur is used in custom pieces by haute couture houses such as Gucci and Versace, where fox fur is used to create exclusive high-fashion items. These products underscore the enduring appeal of fur and its status as a symbol of luxury and sophistication in the fashion industry, as evident in Trending Farm's farming documentaries. Fox farms in China operate on a massive scale, with some facilities raising over 100,000 foxes at a time to meet the demands of the fur industry. The farms featured in this farming documentary are equipped with specialized cages, climate-controlled shelters, and feeding systems to optimize the quality of the animals' livestock and hides. To legally operate a fox farm, farmers must obtain specific permits, such as animal breeding permits and environmental impact assessments, to ensure compliance with national regulations. Unlike traditional breeding farms, fox farms typically do not combine grazing with livestock farming, as foxes are carnivores and require specialized diets.
No.
Fox skins are highly sought after in the global fashion industry, especially in the production of luxury fur garments, with China supplying up to 75% of the world's fox skins. In 2022, China processed about 2.5 million fox skins, becoming the largest country in the global market. After mating, gestation lasts around 51 to 53 days, with litters typically born between March and May, consisting of 4 to 6 cubs. During the birthing process, foxes need a quiet, stress-free environment with ample space and suitable nesting material. Farmers provide dedicated housing and ensure that female foxes have adequate nutrition to support a healthy pregnancy. After birth, female foxes and their cubs need warmth, a high-protein diet, and close monitoring to ensure that the cubs are developing well. Human involvement is important, especially in difficult births, when assistance is needed to prevent complications. There have been many farming documentaries where in such cases trained farm workers or veterinarians step in to provide emergency care, which may include manual delivery or medical intervention. Proper human care and support throughout the process is essential to ensure the survival and health of both mother and baby. To properly skin a fox, the furrier for this farming documentary first makes sure the fur is brushed thoroughly to remove any tangles, dirt, or debris. This helps avoid puncturing the skin during the skinning process. Make a small incision at the joint of the front leg with a fillet knife or utility knife, following the natural curve. Be careful around the Achilles tendon to avoid damaging the tendon. Next, following the color change of the fur, cut along the darker part towards the back pad. Once the leg is free, the furrier carefully pulls the fur down to avoid tearing it. Once the furrier has reached the tail, they push their fingers through it, then separate the tail with the knife, slowly pulling it down. Once the tail is separated, he uses the tail stripper to pull the tail out, gently separating the tail from the skin. From here, continue pulling the fur down the body, applying steady pressure while paying attention to the delicate skin, especially near the armpits. With the head, the groomer carefully cuts around the ears, cutting them off without damaging the skin. He also pays attention to the eyes, making sure to leave the eyelashes intact. Slowly move the tool around the eyes and mouth, pulling the fur down evenly. As he moves to the nose, he gently peels the skin there with minimal pressure, letting the tool do most of the work. Once the fur is completely separated, the fox's skin is ready for further processing. If you're curious about the processing, leave comment 1 to follow Trending Farm's journey. The next step in the fur processing process of processing fox fur to create a finished product involves a number of detailed steps to ensure the highest quality fur for use in apparel and accessories. Once the fur has been carefully stripped and separated from the fox, the fur is butchered, where any remaining fat, muscle, or tissue is scraped off the hide. The next step is salting or curing, where the hide is treated with salt to remove moisture and prevent rotting. This is followed by tanning, a chemical process that stabilizes the hide and makes it soft, durable, and resistant to decay.
Because it will kill your grass.
Tanning in any farming documentary may involve the use of natural or synthetic agents to preserve the hide. After tanning, the fur is stretched and dried to maintain its shape, then undergoes a softening process to ensure the hide is soft and smooth. The fur is then brushed, combed, and trimmed to enhance its appearance, removing any remaining imperfections.
Making sure to get rid of any ticks I might find.
Dyeing may also occur at this stage, where the fur is colored to meet specific fashion or aesthetic requirements. Finally, the fur is cut and sewn into the desired finished product, such as a coat, hat, or accessory, and inspected for quality. The entire process is overseen by skilled tanners to ensure the finished product is luxurious, soft, and visually appealing to the consumer. The finished fox furs are ready to be shipped to consumers and manufacturing plants. All stages from raising to processing the fox fur are meticulously and carefully carried out by craftsmen, with the desire to provide the market with the highest quality products with the greatest sophistication. However, the use of fur in life is still not without controversy from many agencies and animal protection organizations. So what is your choice? Will you continue to support luxury products made from fox fur or speak out against it to protect these animals? Leave your comments below our farming documentary to discuss further. Don't forget to subscribe to Trending Farm and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our most useful documentaries. See you in the next videos. At a pig farm in Minnesota near me, the sow barns house over 500 sows, utilizing a farrowing crate system that ensures both safety and efficiency. Unlike traditional open pens, these crates provide individual spaces for each sow during farrowing, significantly reducing the risk of piglets being accidentally crushed by their mothers. After weaning, the piglets are moved to a post-weaning housing area, which can accommodate over 2,000 young pigs. This area is equipped with temperature-controlled environments and automated feeding systems designed to promote healthy and rapid growth. What makes this system unique is its resemblance to the operations of a modern food factory, where precision and automation drive quality. The farrowing crate system, compared to the traditional method, improves piglet survival rates and enhances farm management, ensuring a reliable pork supply. Seeing a farm like this near me connects the local agriculture community with the larger industrial-scale food production network. In Georgian livestock facilities, maintaining pig barn hygiene is crucial for preventing disease and promoting herd health. Modern cleaning techniques are used to ensure the barns remain sanitary and safe. High-pressure water systems are employed to thoroughly clean every surface, including floors, walls, and feeding areas. This method effectively removes waste, dirt, and bacteria, ensuring a hygienic environment. For large barns, a complete cleaning cycle can take 4 to 6 hours, depending on the barn size and layout. After the initial cleaning, disinfectant solutions are applied to all surfaces to eliminate any remaining pathogens, further reducing the risk of bacterial contamination. Many facilities also utilize automated waste removal systems, which continuously transport manure and other waste to designated holding areas. This minimizes manual labor and ensures waste is handled efficiently, contributing to daily cleanliness. These advanced cleaning and waste management techniques play a vital role in enhancing biosecurity, lowering the risk of disease outbreaks, and maintaining overall herd health. Transporting pigs from the farm to the food factory involves careful planning to ensure animal welfare and meat quality. Commonly, pigs are transported in specially designed livestock trailers that provide adequate ventilation, non-slip flooring, and temperature controls to maintain comfort during transit. In coastal states like Delaware and Virginia, where humidity and weather conditions can vary drastically, transportation vehicles are often equipped with additional cooling systems to prevent heat stress. This contrasts with other regions where temperature control may be less critical. The pigs selected for transport are chosen based on strict criteria, including optimal weight, usually between 250–280 pounds, healthy appearance, and overall size, as these factors influence the quality of meat for harvesting. Once at the food factory, the pigs are unloaded and inspected before processing begins, ensuring they meet industry standards for pork production. In a large-scale food factory, pork processing is a streamlined and highly automated process designed to handle vast quantities with precision and efficiency. On average, a modern food factory can process around 10,000 to 15,000 pigs daily, ensuring a steady supply of pork products to meet global demand. The process begins with thorough inspections to ensure that each pig meets the factory's quality standards. Following this, advanced machinery is used to efficiently divide the carcasses into primal cuts, such as lions, hams, ribs, and shoulders. These machines operate at high speeds, processing up to 1,000 pigs per hour while maintaining exacting hygiene standards. Next, these cuts are moved to different sections of the food factory, where they are processed into products like bacon, sausages, and ham. Additional automated systems handle tasks like slicing, packaging, and labeling, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Each stage in the food factory is closely monitored to comply with food safety regulations, maximizing both productivity and product quality. In one of the most famous food factories in the United States, sausage production is a marvel of efficiency and scale. This massive food factory produces over 1 million pounds of sausage daily, utilizing cutting-edge technology and highly automated processes. The production starts with high-quality cuts of pork, beef, or other meats, which are finely ground and mixed with a carefully guarded blend of spices. The recipe being one of the factory's well-kept secrets. The mixture is then filled into natural or synthetic casings before being cooked, smoked, or cured, depending on the variety. The entire process is closely monitored, with each stage designed to ensure consistency, flavor, and food safety. While the factory's huge output is no secret, many of the specific techniques and flavoring formulas remain a mystery, making this food factory a leader in sausage production both domestically and internationally. With the desire to provide you with objective and comprehensive perspectives on the pig farming industry and the sausage manufacturing industry in modern food factories, we look forward to your contributions in the comments section of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join Trending Farm in discovering more mysteries in food factories around the world.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello, and see you again.